Create your own stylish bracelet with the Happy Ship 2023 new fashion friend Daddy's Angel Charm Italian Links Fit 9mm bracelet. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this unique piece is perfect for DIY jewelry making. Express your creativity with the irregularly shaped design of the Happy Ship bracelet. The 9mm outer diameter adds a modern touch to your jewelry collection. Embrace the high-quality materials of the Happy Ship bracelet, made from stainless steel for a lasting and elegant finish. Stand out from the crowd with this statement piece. Elevate your style with the DJ608 model number bracelet by Happy Ship. Mix and match with other accessories to create a personalized look that reflects your unique personality. Let your imagination run wild as you explore the endless possibilities of metal jewelry making. The Happy Ship bracelet is the perfect canvas for your DIY projects. Discover the joy of designing your own accessories with the Happy Ship stainless steel bracelet. Express yourself through fashion and create a piece that speaks to your individuality. Unlock your creativity and indulge in the art of jewelry making with the Happy Ship 2023 new fashion friend Daddy's Angel Charm Italian Links Fit 9mm bracelet. Craft a piece that is uniquely yours. Experience the beauty and versatility of stainless steel jewelry with the Happy Ship bracelet. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, this piece is perfect for all skill levels.